Hello, I'm back. I don't know. Remember when I made this little book? Is it upside down? No, it's the right way. And I said I'm gonna put, make a little travels journal to go in the back of that. So I have the paper, and the paper's not going anywhere. Like that paper is in there. Like I'm stretching and whatever, it's not going anywhere. So for this, I decided to make a little journal book, one that you can put it in and out. And I just used the scrap paper from this. Could cut that off. So this is a piece of 6x6 cardstock. So I just basically folded it in half. Even though I didn't have to fold it in half, because I am wasting a lot of paper, but that's okay with me. So from what I'm measuring, the paper. So what I'm gonna do now, since all I did was fold this in half, and I fold these pieces in half. So usually I do about 15 of each one of my little journals that I do. So I'll get 15 pieces of paper. One. Let me hold it up so you can. So I'll see. And for this one, you know what? I only need two staples for this, so I'll do it here. Yeah. One there. One about right there. Okay, right in the middle. My exact. It's just a very little bit that I have to take off the bottom of this. Okay, now for the top. I already put a line here, so I just need to line my ruler up on the end so I can make sure it's gonna cut straight. So I just push down hard on this side, but not the cut side that I'm cutting on. Not too much pressure. Here's my scrap. No, I have to do this at 2.5. Pull. My he's getting dull. Just have to clip it off. So here's my little booklet. So I'm gonna fit it right in here. So now I can, whatever I want to make that, I can change it out.